my God, this is like a showroom.
You have your gym, you have all your play areas, the bathroom. Yeah, there's no chore down there. Even laundry is gonna be fun to do.
Oh, look at this.
Is this the same place?
I don't think this is the same Firehouse.
So when I first walked down the staircase, I just thought it was like a normal staircase. I was like bland, nothing there. But now I just think it's like really cool with all the colors. It's vibrant.
This building's been here since 1983. We do our best to keep up with it, but it definitely looks like it's 1983. There's old fluorescent lights and nicotine stained walls.
It's a moment frozen in time. It used to be where we'd all hang out, have dinners, but we've totally outgrown the space.
Could definitely use some love, that's for sure.
Before we walk through those doors, I'm gonna need you guys to check for heat because it's hot in there, all right? It truly is an honor to be able to do this for you guys. Let me know what you think.
Oh my God. Oh, this certainly isn't what I thought. Unbelievable. Oh, look at this.
Is this the same place?
I don't think this is the same Firehouse.
Oh my God. To see what it is phenomenal. It brought tears to my eyes.
It just took my breath away, honestly. It's like I was in a completely different place. Everywhere you looked, everything was different. It was just unbelievable.
Look at the pictures. Oh, nice job.
There was like that feeling like everybody was just drawn in. The heart rates were increasing because we just didn't know what we were walking into. And you walked in the room and it was just incredible.
I was blown away. I got the luxury of some of the older members coming up with me and see their expressions. You can only imagine how proud they are.
Oh my God.
I don't even think I have words. It's just so crazy that that's the same place that I left. It feels like somebody's house in a good way, in the best way.
I'm moving in. That's my first reaction. I'm moving in. I'm just like, I'm bringing all my stuff and I'm moving in here. This is the house. That's your home away from home. That's definitely, this is your home away from home.
There's a lot of projects in this house.
Being a homeowner, you're constantly working on something. And sometimes you don't even have the time, but there's always something that needs to be done. The basement has a lot of problems. It needs to be insulated. A lot of cold air gets into the basement. The separation to the boiler, the doors fell apart. The kitchen is moldy, outdated. So right now, the kids outnumber us. So we need a space to kind of keep them confined and also provide a fun time. Today's the big reveal, and
Today's the day. We're excited to go see what Jer's been doing. Well, I was the first one to walk down the stairs, and there was just so much color, brightness, natural light, and I just started crying. I couldn't help myself. I just got very emotional. We would have never been able to do this
no, there's
on
no
our
way.
own.
This is, wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that.
God, 3, that's perfect.
Look at this.
No.
It's like a little finca. I'm probably gonna hang out here a bunch.
You probably will.
A full gym?
Well, you know, you guys, like I said, you guys are real life action heroes. Yeah, I'm actually joining the Martinez gym. I just want you to know. I work on my abs. You know?
Absolutely. Yeah, maybe we'll spot each other and.
A full gym? Not at all. I was not expecting that. I mean, I don't know if you captured my face. I was in shock. I'm like, we have a full gym.
Honestly, it feels like a resort. Like you have your gym, you have all your play areas, the bathroom. Yeah, there's no chore down there. Even laundry is gonna be fun to do. Working out while we do laundry, while we play with the kids. A lot of great memories that we're gonna make.
Oh yes.
I have this stairwell going down to the cafeteria that's heavily trafficked, and it's just white right now. I would love to create a mural on that and bring as much color and vibrancy as I can.
What do you say? You guys want to see what we did?
What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Let's go!
I first walked down the staircase, I just thought it was like a normal staircase. I was like bland, nothing there, but now I just think it's like really cool with all the colors, it's vibrant.
My favorite part is the different colors. It makes me feel like a disco.
It makes me feel a lot more happy and more energetic.
The mural was so pretty and I was just shocked to see something like that. It makes me think that not everything just has to be frozen now because of COVID. Things can still happen.
It's so pretty, and it even goes up there. Yeah, it goes like...
Oh my gosh, the kids, you can't make that up. They were so happy. That was, I think, the best part was just watching the kids run through the halls. It seriously felt like Target on Black Friday.
Tiana has admirably impacted her community from the confines of her own home, but her current work setup could definitely use a rescue.
So sharing an office in a 4-year-old's bedroom is not the easiest. I share it with my 4-year-old son. He has the larger bedroom. I am working from home now and we're all under one roof. The desk I have is packed with items just piled up. I have Post-its everywhere, things on the wall to remember when I have to take a test. My 4-year-old son, he wants to be in his own room. He wants me out of there. I don't know where to go, but it's his space. Me being in there saying, well, this is my office too, it's not really helpful for either one of us.
Hey, there's my favorite family. What's up, Morales?
Hey!
So guys, I hope the hotel stay was good, but there really is no place like home. And we've been hard at work, but you guys 100% deserve it. So what do you say? Shall we go inside?
Yes!
Yes. All right. I may even have a couple of surprises.
Are you kidding me? What? Oh my goodness.
Not bad, right?
Crazy? This is amazing. Oh my God! What? A gaming?
Full gaming computer.
What?
You could be gaming on that computer. You can be watching a show on there. You guys are going to be dialed in. So when we came here, Tiana, this was your office. You know, you were sharing it with your 4-year-old son. You were making do with what you had. That's why we're here, is because of how hard you work and who you are. So we wanted to give you an office that matched that. Get in there, bud.
Oh my God! This is like a showroom. I've never seen anything like this. Wow! And my degrees over there and everything. This new space is gonna help me so that I can focus and not have to worry about things falling around me or a 4-year-old jumping on the bed behind me. It's really gonna help.
Do you recognize these colors?
Long Island Nurses colors.
100%, 100%.
This is amazing. I feel like it's something I don't know, I'm standing in a room that you may have in your wildest dreams. The old office was cluttered, a mess, and the new office is beautiful, colorful. I think it's gonna take like a week or so just to look around and find those little things that you missed, but you just have to take it in piece by piece. It's a lot.
When we first started, we needed more space, and so we went through the process of trying to fix up our basement. It was not in very good shape at all. Right now there are boxes everywhere. We use a couple of tables that we borrowed that usually used for parties, and we use the floor space a lot to package the materials.
What do you say? You want to see it?
Let's make it happen.
Excited.
Boys,
yes, let's do it. You
wanna
guys ready to go see the basement?
Are you ready?
For the family?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Isa. You ready?
Science!
Oh my God, look at the stairs.
Wow.
Oh man. Oh my God, look at this.
That is so dope.
Wow. Oh my God. This is not the same space.
Do you see that? Well, the first moments walking down into the basement, I noticed that the color change was different. So the purple, one of my favorite colors. There was carpeting on the floor, so it seemed warm and cozy. This is everything.
Don't cry, don't cry.
This is everything.
Oh my gosh. To see the color scheme that matched the logo, it just brought life, and it made it really feel like it was an atmosphere where she can continue to create for not just the boys, but for the entire world.
This is what I imagined, but I had no idea on how to do it.
I love this periodic table.
Look at this. Yes.
I'm like, what? What the Moss Boss created with the periodic table was the second thing I noticed, and that is just phenomenal. That'll be so engaging and inspiring for my students to see. They'll love it, they'll be asking questions, and just a little bit more engaging, which is really cool.
Oh my God,
yeah,
look, and they gave us direct instructions on what to do down there.
You nailed it! Yes!
That is so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.